Welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a bootable pen drive with multiple ISO files. Meaning, you don't have to boot a single ISO file to install operating system on your pen drive. So you can put as many as ISO file you want in a single time, and you can access all of those. So let me show you how we can do that. So first of all, I'm going to insert my pen drive over here. As you can see, I have inserted my pen drive over here. This is the pen drive I'm going to use. Make sure your pen drive have enough capacity. My pen drive capacity is 64 GB, so make sure you have enough storage on your pen drive. So we are going to the Google, then type Ventoy. Okay, this is the application that's allow us to create multiple bootable ISO file at a single pen drive in a single time. So click to the download option. We have to download this particular software. So these are the versions that are available at the moment, and this is for the Windows. As you can see, this is for the Linux. Okay, and this is for the live CD. So we are going to download it for the Windows. So click over here and it will start downloading that particular file. Okay, now we have to click over here and it will start downloading the software. So this software is really great and it's easy to use. It doesn't take much time like the Rufus and the Power ISO that we normally do. So it's now downloading the file. The version is 1.0.99. It's now downloading. Let it finish first. So the file is downloaded now. Let's open it. Okay. Over here the file is downloaded. We are going to unzip this file. So let's click this unzip and straight to here. Okay. So the Ventoy file is over here. And this is the software that we're going to use, Ventoy 2dix.exe. So we're going to right click on it, open. Okay, it's open now. So as you can see, so we are going to open this file. So I'm going to right click and open. So if you are in system admin and you are using to create a bootable pen drive each and every time when you are installing a different operating system, so this particular tool going to be helpful for you. So as you can see, the device already selected the pen drive that I'm using. It's saying 64 GB HP USB flash drive. Okay, great. So after that, we are going to install the services on this pen drive. So let's click install. So it's saying the device will be formatted and all the data will be lost. So make sure you don't have any important data on your pen drive, else it will be deleted. So I'm going to click yes. The device is formatted and all the data will be lost. Continue, double check. So it's asking you once more time. I'm pressing yes. Okay, now it's installing. You can see the status over here. The particular software, it's now installing over this pen drive. So it will take few minutes, like 1 or 2. So you have to wait for some time. I'm using this particular software for a few times now. So it's saying that congratulations, Ventoy has been successfully installed on this device to this device. So let's click OK and close this software. Now we are going to this PC and this is my pen drive. As you can see, it's renamed as Ventoy. Great. Now all you have to do is copy all the ISO files that you are going to use to that particular disk over here, Ventoy. So I do have some operating system on my computer. So let's say I'm going to use this one. This is for the VC dial, this is for the Ubuntu, and let's say pfSense. I'm going to use these three particular operating system so I can show you. So let's copy and paste over here. So I have copied successfully all the ISO files in this particular drive. Now we have to boot the system with that particular pen drive. So let me just restart my computer and boot with that particular pen drive. Okay. So over here, as you can see, all the ISO files are showing over here. So if you wanted to use any of them, you can just simply select and enter, and it will load that particular ISO file in your computer.